Our Goodman HVAC air conditioner is leaking water from the inside unit. I cleaned the inside unit, but should I clean outside unit or drain water somehow?
Do you know the model of your Goodman AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
The model is WMC241A.
How long has this been going on with your Goodman air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Haven't replaced air filter in years probably.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Just today.
Hi, my name is Mike. I'm sorry you are having this issue. I have accepted your question and will be happy to help you. Please note my hours are 6:30 p.m. to 5 a.m. MST, Mountain Standard Time. If you reach me within that time frame, I should be able to immediately respond. However, at times it may take a little while for a response depending on workload. Outside of that time frame, my response will likely be much longer. Please reply to this message so we can get started. Thanks so much, Mike. Smile. This water that is leaking is likely condensation for the evaporator coil. At the air handler you will find a pan with a drain on it. This is where that water is supposed to go out that drain. We'll need to unclog the drain to save this issue most likely. Usually a shop vac is the way to go. You can suck all the buildup out of the drain and clean that pan up.
Are you talking about the unit outside? Customer attachment June 13, 2021 1:14 and 39 seconds AM. Here's the info of which Goodman we have.
The water is leaking from the unit inside, correct? Yes, we'll need to ficus on the inside unit. The outside unit is not the cause of this at all. Just need to make sure you can get to the inside unit, open the access panels and clean out your condensate drain and pan.
It's leaking from this unit in picture. How do I get to, open, the condensation drain and pan?
I see. Yes, flip that unit open like you were going to clean the filter and remove the filter. Search at the bottom of the radiator looking coil and you will see if water was to drip off the coil, it will go down to a pan, and that is what needs to be cleaned. Here is a video I found that may assist you. https://www.youtube.com/watch V = a geek 8LZKC8.
How do I take the cover plate off the unit? Customer attachment June 13, 2021 1:25 and 18 seconds AM. Is this anything I need to mess with? Customer attachment June 13, 2021 1:26 at 48 seconds AM.
No, that appears to be the manual switch. On this one it appears that to remove that cover you need to remove the access covers at the bottom of the unit to expose the fasteners.
The guy in the video was messing with the outside unit, but you think it's the inside that needs to be drained. Sorry to be a pain. My dad used to do this stuff, but he passed away, so trying.
Correct, the condensation will build up in the inside unit. I'm sorry to hear about your loss. I'm real close to my dad. I can only imagine how that feels. Frown.
Loved him. Sorry to hear about your loss. I'm real close to my dad. I can only imagine how that feels. THX. This is the outside unit. Customer attachment June 13, 2021 1:32 and 19 seconds AM.
Smile.
Can I just spray water on it to clean it? I know it's a separate question than the condensation.
I would try to vacuum some of that off first so it don't get stuck in the coil, but yes, these you can just rinse off. Use low pressure water and be careful because those fins are easy to bend. So for reference, the inside unit is called the evaporator and the outside unit is called the condenser.
Oh, thanks for the vocab, cause Google doesn't understand air thingy smile. I'm still not understanding how to take the cover off the evaporator.
Before pulling the cover to the evaporator, I would maybe try using a vac on it from outside. But I think I seen in your picture on the bottom there are access covers that I think pop off on that one, and that should expose the screws that hold it on. The top usually clips in and the bottom has screws. The access covers you can see if you are standing on the floor looking up at the unit.
There isn't anything that comes off to show screws. Is there a manual? How to remove cover video you know of? Here's where it's dripping water from.
https://www.youtube.com/watch v equals at 9 kmvct4 go.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.